Hi, I am Parika. In this video, we learn the basic Python project like scientific calculator. In this project, I have used some basic and intermediate topics of Python like OOPS concept, iteration, recursion method, conditional statements, inbuilt library, module like random and math. Let's see with the structure of this project. First of all, I have import all modules, then define global variables, then write a class to design a logo or headers of this particular scientific calculator, then define a method and then main program. Let's start with code. Here I import two modules, import random, import math. Then one global variable like Chelsea use again. Then this class is layout and it is used to make a logo of this project and also the header of this project. Here I have used the iteration method to make the logo where then header is used to particular make our header like calculate percentage, calculate LCM, calculate log, this kind of. For this I have used the tuple. Here you can see option equals to percentage factorial LCM. These are the tuples value and I is the index value of tuple. Like option 0 means percentage, option 1 means factorial. Now next I have defined the class to define the different methods. My class name is math. My methods are numbers, percentage, factorial, LCM, HCF. Here number is common for all the methods because if I want to particular find the percentage, so I need a number and also the percentage value like a 10% of 100. So 100 is the number. So this kind of numbers I give from this method. This is a percentage output and this is a formula to find a percentage output. Now next method is the factorial which is used to find the factorials. For this I have used conditional statements. This is easy in understand if you start with giving a value like if num equals to 2, 2 is less than is 0 is sorry 2 is greater than 0, so this condition is not working. 2 is equals to 0, no, then else, so this condition will work and factorial output is accordingly this. Okay, the next is the LCM. Here I have used two numbers. So number one is equals to come, or we can see it's come from this method. But number two I have particular entered by raw input method, or you can say the input method keyboard input method. Now next is the HCF. This is the formula for HCF or finding the HCF. Now next one is the square root. For finding a square root, log, exponential, power and cosine, I have used a particular math inbuilt library function, and math has so many different functions to finding a different math problems like math dot square root is used to find a square root, then log 10 is used for finding a log value, log is for a base 10 value, exponential, the power is used for x raised to y, and the cosine I have used for cos plus sin x value. These methods are available in MATLAB inbuilt library file. You can see, and this is the print statement, and print statement is used to only print the output. Here I have used the format method to giving this form, or we can say the give a format of this sentence. Now next I have called layout.logo. Layout is my class and logo is my method. Here we have seen layout is class and logo, which creates the logo. After this method, I have called this, then give a condition. Here, first condition is used to ask, do you want to use calci again, or do you want to use the options, calculator options again? For this condition, I have used first condition, and the second condition is used for asking, do you want to find the percentage or factorial or LCM or HCF for more numbers? For this, I have used the second condition. I will show you how it. Here the different condition I have given. If calculate equals to percentage, means if I select the option percentage, at that time my this condition will work. In this, I will show you how it works. The first sentence is give a header of this calculator. The second is ask for the number. The value is the second number, and math dot percentage method I have called here to calculate the percentage. And in last line I have asked, do you want to calculate more numbers? If I say yes, then again this if condition will work. If I say no, then it goes to the next condition and ask, do you want to use calculator options or other options? The second is the factorial method. It is the same like percentage, nothing different. The third one is the LCM. All the methods are same, or in all the methods or all in all the condition I have used the same statements. One, I ask for header, second the numbers, and then after methods, and then ask the question. You can see here in LCM, HCF, square root, log, exponential, x raised to y, and in else if means I have not written any conditions like conditions not, if I not choose the options which are available in calculator, at that time it gives the answer like, sorry, enter option is not available in calculator. Then again ask, do you want to use calculator for other option? If I say yes, then a yes. If I say no, then it exits the program. Let's run it. Here you can see the logo of the scientific calculator. When I select option like percentage, here you can see, then it asks for a number. If I write 25, then 10%, you can see the value. If I say yes, then again ask me the question, how much? Then again it asks me the question, do you want to calculate more numbers? If I say no, then no. Do you want to use calculator for other option? If I say yes, then yes. Then let's find factorial. Okay, 5. It gives me answer. If I say no, means no. Do for other on option? Yes. If I find LCF, LCM, okay. Another number is asking me and give me answer. Okay. The same like you can find anything. Let's take a last one. Okay, the last one is the cos x and sin x value. It asks me the number. If I take 10, ask me the second number 20, then it gives cos 10 plus sin 20 equals to this. If I say no, do you want to use calculator for other option? If I say no, then it you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you have any query related to this video, then please write me in my comment box. Thank you.